I have the... Okay, I have the dogs with me. I have Macy up on the porch coming down. Sadie the blind one. Macy, 2-year-old. Sadie, 7-year-old. Then we have him back to the tank, out in the cage. She's joining me. She's joining me. Macy's joining me. Sorry about the nails. I chew on them all the time. I think Sadie's coming to join me too. She just has to be careful. Macy, come on. Macy. There we go. We're back here with Tank. Have him. Do kind of design his cage with that ball right there. It's supposed to be right there. And I thought that would be my ball. And then there's this side extra. I designed his cage. So I put this little tree in. It's actually beautiful. But then once I moved in there, the dogs are like, good girl, Sadie. She's going potty. Sorry about the noise and sweaties. Yeah. I'm just swinging set over here. I'm gonna bring my phone with me and okay. I did have a different phone, but the camera didn't work, so I couldn't do this. But like my screenshot camera thing, that worked. The dogs. And now like no cracks in it. Oh, this one doesn't. And the dogs are over there like, come on. Tank just crying. And the dirty slide. Have my brother's food. Yeah, scary one. That's where we're building a kitchen in that room right there. Oh, look at how cute she is. And Macy's back there just sitting. Shed back there might become a pantry. Pretty cool, huh? Have the dogs. The dogs. I'm not gonna show my face. But we have these. Kinda dirty. Very dirty. That. This isn't a very big issue. This is our porch. And then fenced on except for one area. Stairs. And then Stella Miss going all the way to in there. And then if you look in there, there's a hole over there. There's a marker that I didn't know. Hi puppies! We have the dogs. We have the dogs. A rake. This couch is heavy. Inside there, with the kitchen being built. Oh, sorry. Hey, come on, Macy. Macy. Does anyone know? And it's coming down below. I'll give you some seconds. Okay, if you guessed grass seeds, that is correct. As you can see all these spots. So yeah, grass is being grown. And I know we have to pick up doo-doo and definitely non-mow. But before we do that, of course, we have to grow all the grass. I'm on the swings. I'm definitely gonna film on my birthday. So yes, that might be face reveal. families in the house. And the dogs are chilling out here. Wearing a skirt right now. It's kind of being annoying. Okay, it was. But, whoosh! We have another swing twin. Let go. I'm holding that the wrong way. I'm so sorry. So now I'm just gonna be holding it like this for the rest of the time. Guys, not a good idea to drop swings. I'm on that little roller coaster. Ooh, guys, I have an idea. The spinny rooster. I call it the spinny rooster. I'm not sure why. I have to get all these. Can you see you guys are the only one spinning? Because if you guys hear them. I'm dizzy. Okay, guys. Oh, there's no one. Let's see. Ow. That's scary. I'm dizzy. Guys, what is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? I'm not moving my camera. Look at that baby. Go back. Look at her. Look at her. Guys, the kitchen is being built. Sorry how dark it is. Yeah. But I can get to even those blocks. Because I would, but then we have this. We have kitchen in there being built. And then we have 2 wild dogs. One already trapped of the house. They want in. And so Ashley went in. Macy had to stay out because we are actually getting our own. Okay, that was just she. We are best buds, right, Gigi? But we are getting a new alarm center. And this little girl in here is going to go crazy. She is going to try to attack. So they're stuck out here. She's actually got to come upstairs in my room. Sadly, the little one had to stay out here. Boom. What's above the fence, guys? Yoink. I would be able to climb it. But I can't, holding a phone. Hi, Sydney. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, what that? What that is a plant. It's a plant. And it's a tree. And it's a cute little puppy and a big, cute little puppy. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay, I think he did paint his dish. Hi. Whoa, we're getting up. And back down. Hi. And I'm gonna finish. So I'm gonna head in. So bye guys.